As the world adapts to electric vehicles, there are still some challenges to solve. One of them is energy supply. Let's say you arrive home after work and start to charge your car. If lots of other drivers on the same local network plug in at exactly the same time, this could create an unexpected surge in demand for electricity. To supply it, more power generators need to be switched on, which is expensive and causes a surge in emissions that can worsen climate damage. We need to balance getting the right amount of charge with a smooth running electricity grid. And that's why countries like the UK are introducing new laws to achieve a smarter and more sustainable approach to vehicle charging. From June the 30th, 2022, there are 3 key changes. And myenergi is adapting its service to embrace them. First, electric vehicle chargers will come with a default setting that means they won't start charging until off-peak hours during the middle of the day or overnight. That's great for you because electricity can be cheaper. It's also great for our climate as it balances energy demand. But this is only the default setting. You can quickly change it using the myenergi app if you need to start charging straight away. The second legislative change is to introduce a random delay of up to 10 minutes before charging begins. This delay lowers the probability of many chargers starting at exactly the same time, which reduces the strain on generators and achieves a more gradual distribution of energy. Zappy chargers will come with this standard feature, which has very little impact on the charging cycle of your vehicle. The third legislative change is to ensure that charge points are capable of connecting to a demand-side response aggregator, or charge point operator service. Opting in means you're doing more to help the planet, because it gives electricity providers greater control over how your vehicle is charged. They can briefly reduce or switch off charging during peak energy periods, such as when everyone is cooking dinner. As soon as this period is over, your charger immediately returns to its full capacity. That's better for climate change as it means additional generators don't have to be brought online. It also saves you money as electricity tends to be more expensive during these high demand periods. myenergi is working hard to support these new government initiatives which help the UK move towards a smart and fully renewable electricity grid. This enables us to phase out fossil fuels as quickly as possible for the benefit of the whole planet. Remember that you still have full control. Your myenergi app lets you adjust settings so you always have the charge you need when you need it. That's why Zappy is the best-selling British-made solar charger in the UK, and why Zappy owners are collectively helping to save the planet.